All right, it is now morning, and as you can see, I have my Springform Cake pan in the 21 centimeter or about 8-inch size, ready to be released. All I have to do is pull this lever here, and it falls right off. Again, because I put petroleum jelly, I just lift that right off. Easy peasy. And I reset this for the next weight. Now, I don't do one pan at a time usually, but what I'll do is I'll do like maybe 4 or 5 pans at a time. You could do up to 6 pans if you buy 2 sets of these Springform cake molds, but I have a lot already. I've been making them and experimenting with them since January 1st, and it's now January 13th. And my ultimate goal is to build maybe a gym quality, not a gym quality, but an outdoor gym weight rack. And I'm going to start from 10 pounds, go all the way to 50 pounds. But I don't need pairs of 50 because I'm not going to do like bicep curls. So my backyard kind of is conducive to that kind of thing. So that's why I'm making so many of these weights. They're going to look like this. And eventually, I'm going to take this area that just kind of looks like a mess, maybe cut down this busted tree, and put it right here in an obscure corner of my backyard, which is already a mess anyway. So, yeah, once I remove that, see, I've already got my starter set right there. There are places you could buy the dumbbell bars, or you could get some sets and then just use these concrete weights instead. But you can adjust each weight if you find that like maybe they're too close in weight and you want to do a 5-pound increment between 10 and then do a 15 and a 20. Then you could buy these for about $1.50 each, and get some separation so you can cover more range. So yeah.